Hello, hello. My name is Alexandra Wagman, and I am going to introduce myself via screen share. To start, I will show you a couple photos from my Instagram. I've had permission to show my niece's face, and so first photo I will pull up is a photo of her and I. We get along very well, and it's probably because I have known her since she was born. Here I am down in Bentleyville. I was with my roommate, and that was a blast. And the last photo I will show from my Instagram is my cat. I have a 6-month-old cat named Monty, and he is absolutely wonderful. You can probably hear him every now and then purring through the microphone. So if you do, it's no surprise. As I told you, it's very cute. And to start, I will go in with a little background. So I am from a place called Medina, Minnesota. It's a pretty small area. It is by Plymouth, if you're familiar. It's in the cities. It's in the west part of the cities, by Maple Grove. This is kind of what it looks like on a map from Minnesota. I wasn't able to find too many photos of Medina. This is Illinois. That's not even Minnesota. But I had gone to Wayzata High School, or the Wayzata School District, all my life, and this school had about like a 3-to-1 teacher or student to teacher ratio, and there were about 3,000 students at the school. So I went to a pretty big school. So going from there to here wasn't a huge change for me. Some things I like to do in my free time are I like to go hiking and I like to adventure. So here's a picture of, this was over in Park Point, and it's just a cool little teepee that I found. And some more photos of some hiking that I would like to do. And this is kind of the typical hiking I would do, but this is the hiking that I would like to do over in, I don't know, Colorado or something. And another hobby I have is painting. I'm a very big fan of painting, and one of the main things I like to paint is flowers and nature. I absolutely love painting nature, and so that became one of my hobbies, and yeah. I'm very excited to meet all of you. Hopefully this was a little bit pretty good to know about me. Thanks for watching. Bye!